If you clicked on this video, you want to know one thing. How do 48 teams become 32 teams in the knockout stage of the 2026 World Cup? Today, I will explain everything. Step by step, no confusion. But there is one rule almost nobody talks about. This rule can end a team's World Cup because of one yellow card, not because they lost a match, not because of bad goal difference, just one yellow card in their first game. By the end of this video, you will know the 5 official FIFA rules. These rules decide who goes to the next round and who goes home. You will also understand why some third-place teams qualify and some better teams do not. Now imagine this, a team plays 3 group matches. They finish in 3rd place in their group. Most people think they are out, but they are not. They move to the knockout stage. They can still win the whole World Cup. At the same time, another team scores more goals. They have better results, but they go home early because of a yellow card they got earlier. That is the 2026 World Cup. This is why this format is the most unpredictable in World Cup history. For the first time ever, 32 out of 48 teams go to the knockout stage. That is 2/3 of all teams. But the system that chooses these 32 teams is very strict. Let's start from the beginning. Simple version first. In 2026, there are 48 teams. They are divided into 12 groups. Each group has 4 teams. Every team plays 3 matches. 1 match against each team in the group. If you win, you get 3 points. If you draw, you get 1 point. If you lose, you get 0 points. After 3 matches, the top 2 teams in each group qualify. 12 groups times 2 teams. That makes 24 teams. These teams are safe. If you watched older World Cups, this part is normal. Top 2 teams qualify. But now things change. This is where the 2026 World Cup is different from all others, because more teams still have a chance. Every group also has a team in 3rd place. There are 12 groups, so there are 12 third-place teams. In past World Cups, all third-place teams were eliminated. Always, no exceptions. But not in 2026. In 2026, all 12 third-place teams are put into one big table. Only the best 8 of them will qualify. They move to the knockout stage. This creates a new round called the Round of 32. This round never existed before. So while you watch your team play, 2 races are happening. First race, can your team finish in the top 2? Second race, if they finish 3rd, are they better than other 3rd-place teams? Your team is not only competing with 3 teams in the group, they are competing with teams from all other groups too. 24 teams from 1st and 2nd place plus 8 teams from 3rd place makes 32 teams in the knockout stage. 16 teams are eliminated after the group stage. Now the big question, how does FIFA choose the best 3rd-place teams? They use 5 rules. These rules are used in a fixed order. When one rule decides, the next rules are not used. Rule 1 is points. More points is better. A win gives 3 points. A draw gives 1 point. A loss gives 0 points. 4 points almost always means you qualify. 3 points is risky. If teams have the same points, Rule 2 is used. Rule 2 is goal difference. Goals scored minus goals conceded. This is counted from all 3 matches. Teams that attack and score more goals are rewarded. If teams are still equal, Rule 3 is used. Rule 3 is total goals scored, not goal difference. Just the number of goals scored. Scoring goals is very important. Now stop here. Because Rule 4 is very important, but almost nobody explains it. Rule 4 is fair play points. This rule counts yellow and red cards. It works like a penalty system. 1 yellow card is minus 1 point. 2 yellow cards in 1 match is minus 3 points. 1 red card is minus 4 points. A yellow card plus a red card is minus 5 points. Fewer cards means a better score. All cards from all 3 group matches are counted. A yellow card in the first match still matters in the last match. 1 yellow card can decide everything. 2 teams can be equal in points, goals, and goal difference. The team with fewer cards qualifies. The other team goes home. That is how strict this rule is. If teams are still equal after fair play points, there is one last rule. Rule 5. FIFA World Ranking. This ranking is decided before the World Cup starts, before any match is played, so the final decision can be based on something from months ago. Now you know what most fans do not know. There are 48 teams, there are 12 groups. Top 2 teams qualify. That makes 24 teams. The best 8 third-place teams also qualify. That creates the round of 32. The rules that decide these 8 teams are points, goal difference, goals scored, fair play cards. These small things can change everything. Now you understand the system, but there's one more problem. Small details that change how teams qualify and why rankings move. I explained all of those hidden signals in my last video. If you want to truly understand what you're watching, go watch that video now.